Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Binance with Treasure NFT. First, you'll need an intermediary wallet like MetaMask to bridge the two platforms. Then, transfer your crypto from Binance to this wallet. Finally, you'll connect that wallet to the Treasure NFT marketplace. This process ensures secure and efficient interaction with the NFT ecosystem. To begin, install the MetaMask browser extension and set up your new wallet securely. Next, you'll need to add the Arbitrum One network to MetaMask, as Treasure NFT often operates on this Layer 2 solution. Finally, transfer your chosen cryptocurrency, like ETH or UST, from your Binance account directly to your MetaMask wallet on the Arbitrum network. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And on another note, just like you want reliable connections for your crypto, you want reliable socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your MetaMask wallet funded and ready, visit the official Treasure NFT marketplace website. Look for the Connect Wallet button, usually found in the top right corner. Click it, then select MetaMask from the options. Your wallet will prompt you to approve the connection. Confirm this to link your wallet and start exploring the NFTs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.